Welcome to African Alliance.
We at African Alliance are very passionate. We're passionate about what we do. We're passionate about what the future holds. We're passionate about life insurance business. We believe that we're poised for the future. We believe that we can add value. We keep expanding the frontiers. We keep raising the bar. We believe in the customer, and we believe that we have what it takes to make the customers happy.
African Alliance is about a 58-year-old company. Principally, the mission and everything about African Alliance is to make it the #1 company in the country.
My view about African Alliance is a fantastic one. I've got a good experience and I experienced a lot. I met a lot of people, different management, good staff, good board.
And today African Alliance has grown big. Today we have over 200 staff. And when we talk about the food soldiers, we have close to about 1,000.
What we are trying to do essentially is to build new products that are attractive to the millennials in the business world, and also deepen the existing relationship with clients that we have.
The success and the failure of a company depends on the caliber of people that are employed into that organization. But here in African Alliance, we place high premium on training and development.
I've spent 14 years in African Alliance, and I must say it has been a very exciting.
I've worked in African Alliance for a couple of years, over 25 years.
I'm almost 20 years now with African Alliance.
This is where I started my career as an insurance practitioner. And of course, I became also a professional here.
Actually, African Alliance sponsored me abroad. I came back to African Alliance and became the managing director of African Alliance. So, African Alliance made me. Just the way African Alliance will die for its staff, the staff will also die for African Alliance.
And what we have in our core values, we say in African Alliance, after all documentation, I'm committed to deliver that peace of mind within 48 hours.
We have a reputation of prompt claim settlements, and we also have a reputation of being customer-centric. That means that everything about African Alliance revolves around the customer.
Claims payment is one of the things that speak about your reputation. The company is very known for prompt claim payments.
We've seen in our customers over the years that they hardly repeat what they did in the previous past. For instance, if somebody started with 2,000 naira a year ago, by the new accounting year, you see that the person naturally will want to increase.
Been with this company since 2005, operating 4 policies on money appreciation plan.
My business can grow more than this. I'll be doing more than this with them.
For years to come, if I have grown much to have a big business, I can still be with them.
One product that has endeared the customers to African Alliance is the product I call MAP. And I think that's our best-selling product. We also have the educational policy, which cares for children's education and takes away the worry of having to think about what happens in the eventuality, what happens to your child's education. I believe that these 2 products have endeared customers to us, and those are the secret behind our success.
In terms of product development, we have so many products that meet different people's needs. We develop products as the needs arises.
Takaful, as we know, Islamic insurance, whatever form, there are about several policies under it. We have Hajj plan, we have the regular pension plan, then we have other savings plan, we have children education plan done Islamically. All the policies under Takaful follow Islamic tenets. It's the universal language, regular savings for a period of 1 year, after which the customers are paid their premiums with accrued interest.
There's this product they call annuity. Annuity risk is not what the regulators allow every insurance company to write. I think there are about 7 or 8 life insurance companies in Nigeria that are allowed to write that product, out of which African Alliance is number 3.
The Germans designed this logo, African Alliance, and you can see the African on the white background, and of course the Alliance on the blue background. That is to show you a unity of an international cooperation.
The rebranding of African Alliance Insurance is coming at the very right time.
At one point in time in the life of any entity or individual, you have to reinvent yourself to ensure that you maintain relevance.
The rebranding will help African Alliance to achieve the following: increase the brand image and perception, to penetrate the youth market, to refresh the brand and create excitement around it.
The service that we're going to provide to the customers is not going to reduce. It's going to be improved more and more.
For our website, we try to improve both the look and feel and interactivity. For you to be able to make purchases, make procurements on the website, it should be exciting.
What are the multiplying effects that would result from this rebranding to reassure our stakeholders of our efficiency and our prompt service delivery, to establish our stakeholders' confidence on our brand, to reposition the company in the face of the market dynamics?
Part of that process is the fact that we'll be moving our head office from where we're currently seated now to another location, which is number 54 Awolowo Road. That's part of the process.
The new corporate logo, the new brand identity, the new African Alliance on check. A lot of effort, a lot of strategy has been deployed in coming up with ways by which we can make our customers more accessible to us. We also want to increase top-of-the-mind awareness. We want to be very visible to our customers. We are deploying strategies, a lot of adverts, a lot of publicity, a campaign that will go on for a while, all to get closer to the customer, all so that the customer can have access to us, all so that the customer feels more comfortable and relaxed with us, all so that the customer does not forget us, all so that we can meet and even surpass the expectations of the customer.
I love Africa Alliance because they are with me for life.
Africa Alliance Isuzu is with me for life.
Africa Alliance Insurance is with me for life and also with them for life.
African Alliance PLC, with you for life.